Thank you for choosing our product. It's a cost-effective product, safe, environmental friendly, hygienic and comfortable. It's non-electrical but with intelligent toilet function. You will feel comfortable with gentle natural water and reduce the release for toilet paper. Choosing ours is to choose a healthy life. This video provides you simple step-by-step instruction for installing bidet, our products to fix most the standard toilet. Now please prepare the wrench and the screwdriver. First of all, remove the seat covers from your toilet with screwdriver. Connect the PU pipe to the water inlet of the bidet. Place the bidet on the toilet. Check 2 holes in the toilet and make sure the nozzle can go up and down smoothly. Then reattach the 6 fittings. Next, turn off the water supply valve. Using a wrench, disconnect the water supply hose. Before installing the plastic T-adapter, make sure the black rubber is properly in it. Screw the T-adapter to the water supply valve. Make sure the connection is tight but do not over-tight with the nut. Turn off the screw of T-adapter. Attach PU pipe to it. Congratulations! You have finished the installation of your bidet. Now turn on water supply valve for testing. You can control water pressure to find comfortable splash jets. Also, you can switch to nozzle self-cleaner function. As you can see from the testing, it shows cleaner than paper and will bring you more comfortable experience. After testing, reattach the toilet seat cover and start enjoying your bidet.